The difference between knowledge and wisdom is, number one, most of your sufferings originate from ignorance. So therefore, of course, you have to knowledge, okay? So that knowledge has to be now done through a systematic process. First, you listen to your teacher or read a book. We normally call it listening to the teaching. And that is important, but that is not enough. It's really like somebody who is thirsty and have no idea where water is available. So you need to get that information from somebody saying that water is available 2 kilometers from here. So that is hearing, listening. That's very important. But just by hearing that, your thirst will not be quenched. So therefore you need to walk 2 kilometers. So that means like after hearing, just like walking for 2 kilometers, you need to think for yourself the truth of what you have heard from your teacher or what you've read in the books. So through reflection thinking, you are able to develop that conviction. Yes, it really seems true. You're able to get that conviction. So which is very, very important. So it's really like walking 2 kilometers and having reached near the water. And you are able to now see the water. But still, if you don't drink the water, your thirst will not be quenched. So similarly, you have developed that conviction through thinking. But now you need to get completely soaked into it, that conviction. You have to get completely habituated with that repeatedly so that it becomes part of your way of thinking, your way of action. So that we call meditation. So that's what I said in the beginning. Meditation is getting habituated, you see. So if you are habituated, then compassion will come automatically, loving kindness will come automatically because it's part of your thinking, you see. So therefore, the difference between knowledge and wisdom, I would say that knowledge is not necessarily based on deep experience, not necessary. But meditation is really, really very much related to deep experiences.